That's the sound of the wilderness, you all. Well, good evening there, YouTubers. This evening, you guys, I'm going to do a little camping on the river. We're definitely in bear country. There ain't no question about that. The other day when I was down here doing a video, I saw a big bear's track. I'm going to do just a little bit of night fishing. I'm not going to show the night fishing, you guys, unless I catch something, okay? All this is going to be done in the dark. I've already got my campfire thing over here laid up so that I can build us a campfire and have some fire here. I don't catch any fish to eat. Of course, you know, I've got noodles. I can do that. Good old Jimmy Newton hot sauce will spice everything up. But anyway, I thought you all would like to come with me on this particular little journey right here. And we'll see what we can do here this evening. We will be in here very, very late. And it's getting dark already. It's probably not. I'm going to say it's probably 30 minutes before dark, you guys. And then that's when I'll start fishing. I've already got it all rigged up over here because I don't like rigging that stuff up in the dark. So I can't see the fishing line in the daylight, much less in the dark. So I've got that pole set up. It'll just be chunk bait. It's what I'm using. Wally World, that fish bait that you can buy in the little bottles, okay? So that's what it's going to look like. But once I start fishing, it'll be a little while. I'll come back, build the campfire, and I'll let you guys watch me do that, or you'll see me start it and all that good stuff. So anyway, let's do a little night camping along the river. I know you guys can't see me, but just got that far to flickering over there. See how long it takes to catch it up as damp as this stuff is, you guys. In a few minutes, you guys, I'm going to take off down to the river there, which I'm down at the river as we speak, and do a little casting, see if I can catch something. See how that goes. If not, I'm going to come back up here and cook us a meal. That fire will be died down pretty good by then. It'll be some good hot coals. But it feels pretty good here tonight. I mean, the temperature is supposed to get down in the high 40s tonight. It was in the 40s last night, so that definitely does feel pretty good right now. Also keeps the mosquitoes from eating you up too. I noticed as soon as it got plumb dark, the mosquitoes started chewing on me. So let's see what happens when I get over here at the creek and start doing a little fishing. So far, you guys, the fishing ain't looking too good. I guess that's why they call it fishing. So I decided I'd get the noodles going here. Sure is a really nice, quiet night down here, though, you guys. Down by the river. Campfire. Really just me and the good Lord. See how I got that piece of wood sticking in that handle? I can sit back away from the fire and I can just place it right there in the fire. Got to think out of the box like my old buddy Carolina Chris does. I seen him do that right there. That's where I learned that from. My old pal Carolina Chris. So here goes the hot sauce. Oh, Lord. We'll boil there one more time, children. You all, I just got that light turned off on purpose right there, okay? I'm going to turn it on so you can see me. Here I am. I've let them noodles cool a little while, you guys. After I eat these noodles, I'm going to head back over there to the creek, you guys, and see if I can catch one. Just maybe there's a big one come out from somewhere that I ain't, you know. He's been holed up for a while. That's the way they do. We'll see. If that battery's gonna last or not, you guys. Acting a little bit crazy. Well, one thing, them noodles sure do taste good. So guys, when you're fishing little old creeks like this right here, they ain't more than 10 yards across, 15 yards across, 20 at the most. When you're doing it in the dark, I done lost my first cast out there a minute ago. I hung my stuff up on the other side of the creek over at Deep Hole, and I couldn't get it back. I had to break it off and just let it go. So next time I'm going to slow down just a little bit. It's pitch dark now, so when I get over there, I'm going to turn my light off, cast, and see if I can catch anything. If not, we're going to see what else is going on. All right, you guys, I'm not having any luck whatsoever. I fished that hole over there for about an hour. No luck. So either I don't have what the fish want, or there ain't no fish in the hole right at the present time. They can come out and swim up and down the creek and catch these little old bait fish and everything else, crawdads, and trout they're predator fish anyway. So that's just the way it goes. But you know, if a fellow was out here forever, living out here in this situation, he'd definitely have to make ends meet, because you know, if you don't catch any fish in the daytime, maybe you can catch them in the nighttime. I do have another trick up my sleeve. I'm not going to do it this particular night, but I do have another trick up my sleeve I'm going to try here one of these evenings in one of these creeks and see how it works. So with that, you all, I hope you have a good evening. May the good Lord bless you. And if you've been fishing lately, send me some of them pictures and let me see them. I'd really like to see them. And you YouTubers, start making some YouTube videos so that we can see some of this stuff right here. I really appreciate it. And you all, thank you for all the prayers that you've been praying for us. We really need them. Sister Kim, she messaged me there today on one of my videos and said that she had to go to the doctor. And you all know Sister Kim she's really in really serious condition. I don't know exactly what the condition is. She hadn't told me, but she's always asking for prayer. So you all please pray for Sister Kim and me as well, so that I can continue right on preaching the gospel of Jesus Christ. With that, you all, may the good Lord bless you one more time. Have yourself a wonderful day.